It's been another busy week in the world of modern classic motorcycles, with major updates across new bikes, gear, technology and events. Highlights include the launch of Biker TV UK, a new video platform from Modern Classic Motorcycle News, and a detailed look at the 2026 Royal Enfield Shotgun 650, alongside news of its limited edition registration opening. Triumph made headlines with the unveiling of the Speed Twin 1200T FC, while Honda's CB650RE clutch continued to spark discussion as a potential game changer. BMW Motorrad UK introduced new offers across its range, and TOPDON revealed its One Moto diagnostic platform covering over 100 brands. In gear and lifestyle news, Acerbis launched its Velocity footwear line. We reviewed the LS 2-Scope 2 helmet, and Dainese introduced the Overyond XT-GTX boots. Scooter fans were excited by the upcoming auction of Paul Weller's Stanley Road Lambretta, while Triumph strengthened ties with riders through a new Silverstone Bike Track Days partnership. Events also featured strongly, with updates from the Ardingly Summer Show, record-breaking attendance at World Ducati Week 2026, and Bonham's opening consignments for the Autumn Stafford motorcycle sale. Overall, it's been a packed week offering something for every motorcycle enthusiast.
Become one of our YouTube members and save. For a £5 monthly membership fee, get 2 digital issues of Modern Classic, motorcycle news magazine for the price of one per month.